Alright guys, on today's video we're going to do some POV, so point of view action, driving the new 2022 Kenworth T680 Next Generation. We'll do a quick pre-trip and then we'll be on the way to follow up to the first look video. Alright guys, this is going to be attempt 2 of a POV style video on the 2022 Next Gen Kenworth T680 with the all digital dash. We're gonna go for a quick drive. I've already recorded this video once, aka for the clothes change from the intro to now. Didn't get the dash in it. I wasn't happy with the footage, so we're gonna try attempt 2, and we're running some more cameras to see that. But as you can see, we're gonna click the auto check button right here, and you can start doing a systems check. We're going to check our side markers lit, our daytime runnings are lit, cab lights are good, blinkers, got a side marker there. Blinker as well. Go back here, got our load lights, our brake lights, our turn signals, and we'll have a reverse here in just a minute. Running lights, reverse lights, brake lights. All right. I've already done a full pre-trip, so this is a quick one. And I gotta say, I do love these vents here to pull the air through for more aerodynamics. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna see that it was system 13 systems are okay with a check mark, no critical issues, no non-critical issues. And we'll scroll down and it'll oh no, we'll scroll down and see the battery, all the 13 systems are checked, exterior lighting, driver assist, it's all good. So we'll X out of that, go back to the dash, and we're gonna try this POV style once again. So one thing I will say, other than the dash and it just being completely, I mean, as the word implies, next generation, it's extremely quiet in here, and I'm sorry if you guys get some wind noise. It is 106 degrees outside, and I was gonna do this with the AC off, and now I just realized I'm not gonna do it with the AC off. So anybody that's wondering, we are located right here off of I-70 and McVicker in Topeka, Kansas. Anybody's interested, you can see how on the dash that car just popped up because the car is in front of me. That's part of the collision mitigation. These are specifically spec'd with all the safety you can have, because these are actually FedEx spec'd, but you can see all the gauges working. Someone in the comments on the previous video said that the dashes were laggy. I've been driving this truck quite a bit, and I can say that I have zero lag with it. But as you can just tell, even how quiet it is in the chat, I mean, it's quiet, guys. All you hear is me talking and us driving. So the dash is probably the coolest part by far. The body lines, the squareness, as you just heard right there, I got too close to that line over there, it'll light up. As you can see, we'll do it again. That's my lane departure right there, and there's no one in this lane, so we won't have our blinker on. We'll start merging over toward the center lane. There it goes. That's your lane departure system there. So if you guys really like the truck content we're doing on the channel now, please leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube see that you guys like these videos, and also lets me see in the analytics you guys like these videos. It makes me do more of them. We have plenty of trucks to do content with, new, used, you know, oddball things. So if you guys like truck content, I don't mind shooting. I'll film anything. I'm very open. A little bit of background on me. I drove trucks for over 10 years. 4 of those years. That's just saying we're getting too close. I got the setting way out on the following distance. Well, let's set the cruise control real quick while we're talking about that. So you can see our speed, our cruise control is set, and our speed right now is at 53 because the vehicle in front of us. We're going to go ahead and push that up to 65 or 66. What it's going to do is going to read the car in front of us with the distance, and it's going to, so it's pretty much, he's doing 60 miles an hour, so we're doing 60 miles an hour. Now he's speeding up, so we're speeding up. But it's just the technology in these next generation trucks is crazy. But other than that, some background on me is I've been driving for almost 10 years, and 3 of that was over the road. I did food service. If anybody's familiar with that, it's a lot of fingerprint, a lot of heavyweight, unloading trucks. Daily basis, I did that for 3 years. And then, like every other driver, you know, I got tired of throwing all that meat and 6 tin cans on the bases around here in post. And then I worked for Frito-Lay for a while as a driver, also fingerprinting and unloading trucks. Love the job, pays really well. But I was a company driver the whole time. So that's how I got my knowledge of these trucks. And then this opportunity came up to sell them, and I've always naturally sold stuff on the side, so I figured why not. So driving this truck, you can see we're set at 66 on the cruise. We got our following distance set up. It's already auto set. So you can hear this truck has, you know, you hear the plastic and stuff. It all still is wrapped. It's a brand new truck. But what's a V? First gen V at that. Look at that. Never seen that one before. But these next gens are so quiet on the interior that it's actually amazing how quiet they are. I think a lot of it's to do with the aerodynamics changes they did. That's my personal opinion. You can see that semi just got in front of us over there, and he's not going as fast, so it took our cruise control down to, oh, there we are, we're back up to 65. We'll drive to 64 real quick. But it's crazy. I mean, literally we got cruise control set and we're just rolling. This truck is equipped with a Cummins powered X15, 450 horsepower, and a 12-speed Enduro automatic transmission. To get around this roundabout, we're going to get back on the on-ramp, and we're going to let her eat Mind you, we do not have a trailer on. Just keep that in mind. Cruise control on, and we're going to go up. We're going to set this one at 70 this time. We're set at 70. That car just got over. He's doing 69, or no, he's doing 70 now. So it uses the radar to tell what the car in front of you is doing, and it's adaptive cruise control. This also does have auto braking if someone does cut you off, which we're going to hope no one does. Unfortunately, in the last video, that didn't have the dash in the camera, someone did cut me off, and that was just an interesting experience. So I just want to do a quick, POV style video of actually driving one of these units. I haven't seen one. I have not seen anybody actually drive while filming. I will tell you, as you can see, my hands are all clear. I am paying perfect attention. The only difference is I have a camera, which I don't know how the angle will come out, mounted on the driver's side window, facing down at the dash area so you can see everything. And then I also have a camera attached to my head currently. So if it's bouncy, if it is a GoPro, it's attached to a headband mount. And, we are in an air ride seat. We definitely aren't on the smoothest roads. We are in Kansas. They're nice, but they're not smooth. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave comments. My contact information is below. I'll answer all the questions as I can. We have a very limited few spots left still in 2022 to get one of the next generation T680s. Other than that, we are actually ordering out into 2023 already. The beeping you keep hearing is a lane mitigation because I keep on hugging that inside lane, or excuse me, outside lane. And what I think I'm going to do, if you guys really do enjoy the big rig truck content, I think you would leave a comment below, consider subscribing, and also hit the like button. It lets YouTube know you like it, and it helps the channel grow, and also it helps me kind of narrow down what we're going to film. These videos take a lot of time and effort, and I enjoy shooting them for you guys. I just want to make sure you guys are enjoying what you're watching. But we got tons of other truck videos lined up. Trucks are something I have a lot of access to on the new and used side, so that's what we're going to be going with. And for anyone that did not know, and I'm testing the waters on this, so leave me a comment below if it's something you'd like to see. That's because I came up too close to that vehicle. Like I said, I got the distance set way out. So we'll show you an example right now. Again, if I try to run up on this guy, and it goes red and louder. We're off exit 359 here in Topeka, Kansas, also known as McVicker Avenue exit. Our store is right here, Kenworth. We are right off the highway, and you just come off the highway, and it's a pretty simple transition. As you can see, we are a full service shop. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you guys like the semi content, we got plenty to cover and plenty more to go. All you gotta do is just let me know down below. God, that all rhymes. I should be a rapper. That'd be horrible, trust me. Some other videos we have coming up. There's already in there is the service truck, which is available for sale right now. We're gonna do some videos on these 880 T680S's dump trucks, or quads. And we got some other videos lined up. And if you need a truck, new or used, like I said, contact info is below, and I'll get you hooked up and taken care of. In upcoming videos, we're going to do a review of this 880S quad axle dump truck, and that one is twin sister. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the 2022 Kenworth Next Generation T680 POV driving video. Subscribe button right here. Check out the other 2020 Kenworth Next Generation video overview over here for the first look. And if you have any other questions, anything, don't hesitate, shoot me a message on Facebook. Or if you have any other questions about these trucks or models, how to obtain one, there'll be a link below, or just give me a call or text. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.